So as you guys can see here today, I'm at GMP Performance. We're going to be doing install as far as the charge pipe upgrade as well as the carbon fiber battery box on the Project A3. Buddy Nick's going to be helping me out. So without further ado, let's get started. What's going on, guys? We're back here again today. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys as always for stopping in. So on today's video, we're going to be doing a charge pipe upgrade on our Project A3. You guys saw most recent FAQ video. We went ahead and jumped into another quick unboxing for the Rev 9 charge pipe upgrade as well as the ECS tuning carbon fiber battery box. Without further ado, let's jump into another install. It's gonna look a lot better, man. I've never been a fan of that ugly battery diaper.
No, it doesn't look very good at all.
Yeah, it's pretty hideous. You guys can see right here basically just how this pipe is it's so narrow. You can see the way it kind of like kinks and sort of bottlenecks. Factory pipe definitely not the best, so should make some good gains with the larger diameter aftermarket pipes. I love the little splash guard on there, always makes it fun.
Special tool.
Oh dude, look at that. Killer, man. This is pro level automotive service technology right here. Courtesy of Mr. Nick Wolf.
Do what I can.
GMP Performance. You guys can hear, here's a real close up of the APR pendulum and dog bone mounts. A lot of you guys ask questions pretty frequently about how to reduce wheel hop, get better traction, less engine movement, better transmission shifts. Especially for you front wheel drive guys out there, highly recommend it if you haven't already. Definitely pick up a pendulum and dog bone mount of some sort. You'll definitely be happy with the improvements. So getting some of those stock hoses off, pretty standard there.
Well, yours are in there a little bit better.
Oh yeah?
Because you have the APR stuff on it.
Yeah.
And it's got silicone hoses on it.
Right.
So it's a little more to wrestle. The new ones will be like this. So the reason why you get rid of this is because this is taller. So you end up running the short one, so it ends up being the same size there.
I see what you're saying. So
you'll be able to get rid of this and the other one.
Okay.
This is,
what is that exactly?
This is your boost pressure sensor.
Oh, okay.
It's technically it's a bar sensor, but
okay,
it measures the charge pressure air. So it says how much boost is actually going to the motor.
Okay. So basically just take that out and we can just transfer that over to the new pipe? Yeah,
we're just transferring over to the new pipe. I already cleaned up all the threads and get it in there.
I mean, you just can't beat this charge pipe kit for the money, man. I mean, about what, $1.75? I mean,
yeah, $1.75. The only thing is you just got to clean all the threads and you gotta apply sealant on these holes.
Yeah.
But other than that, it's a pretty solid kit for $1.75. Every stage 2 car should be running it.
Yeah. So what piece is this one, Nick?
This is the discharge pipe.
Okay.
So it starts out at almost 2.5 inches.
Yeah.
But if you follow it, It's crushed down here,
Yeah.
and it's next down to, you know, not very big at all.
Yeah, it really bottlenecks, doesn't it?
Oh yeah.
So when you compare that to the new one.
Yeah, compare that to the new one. This is where we're gonna upgrade.
Oh wow. Yeah, I mean that's a huge difference, bro.
Huge difference.
Yeah. I mean that's night and day right there, guys. Wow. Big difference there, man. Big difference when you look at those two side by side. All right, so Nick's got the APR turbo muffler delete out. Let's take a look at it, man, side by side against this this new one. What a difference, man. If you look at it, you can see the one on the right is just it's a much larger diameter, isn't it?
Oh yeah, huge difference. Yeah, it's not even close.
Wow, man, that's really impressive. I'm looking forward to see how the car drives in response to the better airflow. Good.
Little upgrade.
Good. Yeah, that's looking good, man. Nice and clean, stealthy with the all black. I like it. That little piece right there. What is that?
That's the throttle body boot.
Ah, okay.
So that's going to replace the APR one.
Oh, okay. All right, so we got the last hose going in there.
Yeah.
Very nice.
Fit up.
Sweet. So as you guys can see, we've taken out these factory charge pipes, and the only guy left standing, just this one small little silicone hose here from APR. Everything else still using on the new charge pipe kit. The hose clamps included definitely less than desirable, so there's a good chance you might need to improve these to a larger size.
Yeah, larger size and better quality. They don't work for the throttle body at all.
Good to know. All right, guys, so as you can see behind me, just to give you guys a quick update on this project so far, charge pipe kit fully installed, ready to go. Next, we're gonna go ahead and jump into this battery box install. Let's get to it. How's fitment on that box looking so far?
So far, so good.
Yeah, got enough room to kind of massage it in there, okay?
Yeah, it looks like everything's gonna massage in, all right.
All right, that's good, man. Yeah, not the biggest fan of that ugly, like, kind of cardboard sort of fibrous diaper thing.
Yeah, it's not the nicest looking thing.
Yeah, definitely not the prettiest. So figured it was about time, just kind of step it up. You already got the APR carbon intake, so gotta clean up the engine bay. Don't want to neglect the aesthetics. Not bad, man. Pretty straightforward.
Yeah.
Quick and painless. So there you have it. One carbon fiber battery box install. I have to say, it's a nice clean touch. Alrighty guys, so as you can see, we've completed our install for both the carbon fiber battery box as well as the charge pipes. Got everything buttoned up. What we're gonna go ahead and do next is we're gonna go ahead and take a test drive and see if we notice any improvements. Alrighty guys, so we're setting off here at Project A3, just complete our charge pipe kit, and let's go ahead and take a drive and see how it does. Alright, feeling pretty strong so far, feeling pretty strong. I would say for starters, you can kind of notice just rolling into the throttle just a little bit more responsive as it was before on the stock pipes. Feeling good so far, man. I gotta say, I really think this is a solid improvement over the factory pipes. I mean, for the money, you just can't beat it. Ah, man, you gotta love that nice quick spool, bro. Feeling really punchy. So guys, overall satisfaction, charge pipe upgrade, I would say a well-worthy upgrade. Pretty straightforward install. Huge thanks to my buddy Nick for helping me out with this charge pipe install as well as our battery box. Guys, make sure to check out GMP Performance if you should have any needs for your European automotive upgrades. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe for more. I will see you guys in the next one. Have a great day.